Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change Flow Launcher settings step by step. If you want to customize how Flow Launcher works, adjust keyboard shortcuts, manage plugins, or improve your overall experience, everything can be done from the settings menu. So let's get started. First, open Flow Launcher on your Windows computer using its default keyboard shortcut or launch it from the Start menu. Once the search box appears, click the Settings icon to open the configuration window. This is where you'll find all of the available options. Next, explore the General settings. Here, you can change the activation shortcut, choose whether Flow Launcher starts automatically when Windows starts, and adjust basic behavior such as the launcher position and search preferences. Yeah, these options help you personalize the launcher for your daily workflow. Now, move to the Plugins section. From here, you can enable or disable plugins, adjust plugin settings, and even install new plugins if you need additional features. You can also change the priority of plugins, so your most important search results appear first. If your version of Flow Launcher includes appearance settings, you can customize the theme, window size, or other visual options to better match your preferences. After making your changes, simply close the settings window because most options are saved automatically. Finally, test the launcher by searching for an app, file, or command to make sure your new settings work the way you expect. If needed, you can always return to the settings menu and make further adjustments. And that's it. You now know how to change Flow Launcher settings and customize the launcher to fit your workflow. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone.